And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:42 this morning in a ridge of high pressure. We talk about those a lot in the summertime, but sometimes they can occur in the fall too, and this one definitely is. What you get with a ridge of high pressure is generally dry conditions. There can be small rain chances, but you're not going to see widespread heavy rain, and you're going to see above normal temperatures. Now, today, it all depends on where the center of the ridge is, and it's a little bit farther south today and a little bit more to the west. And the reason why it's slid a little bit to the south, there's a cold front that's trying to push it and trying to break the ridge. But the cold front's going to lose this battle, and the front might make it into the panhandle today, and then it's going to fizzle out. This is a very strong ridge of high pressure for the time being, and because it's a little bit farther to the south today, I think our rain chance might even be just a touch smaller than yesterday. There is not going to be much rain around. Yes, a few showers of storms are possible, but a lot of us are going to be staying dry. Winds very light this morning, still lots of humidity, so we are seeing some light fog in parts of the valley, and I think it'll be with us till about 9:30 or so, and then it'll all be gone. I also can't rule out a couple showers right along the coast during the morning hours, but inland locations will be staying dry. You have to be really right near the coast. Places like Port Isabel, Port Mansfield, you could catch a shower. The rest of us staying dry, but in the afternoon, some will see rain today, but even if you do, it's going to be the kind of rain that's not going to last for long. And notice you're not seeing those shades of red or yellow really popping up for the most part. It's mostly going to be just a couple light showers. I can't rule out a stray storm popping up at some point, but notice at any given time, even as we get in the late afternoon, not a lot going on. And by the time we get to 7, 8 o'clock, I actually think we'll have mostly clear skies, looking like a dry night. Once again, winds staying light, so I think we're going to be looking at a situation where we're going to have some patchy fog early tomorrow morning. Again, couldn't rule out a stray shower right along the coast during the morning hours. The rest of us will have a dry morning commute for tomorrow. Again, tomorrow, the sea breeze will be with us, but it again looks like it's going to be very weak. 2 o'clock, a stray shower possible in Cameron County. It will try and work to the west, but not much going on at 5 o'clock either. And it looks like, once again, by the evening hours, things will be drying out. So if you have Friday night plans, right now, Friday night football is looking good. Mostly clear skies, still pretty warm and muggy out there, but we're certainly not looking at any widespread rain for this Friday night. 93 is going to be our high today with partly to mostly sunny skies. Only a 10% chance of catching a shower or a thunderstorm. A little bit better chance, again, in the lower valley. Smaller chances as you go to the west. Winds only around 10 miles per hour, which is unfortunate. We would kind of like it to be a little bit breezier because the heat index today is going to be around 101 with the very high, unusually high humidity. And because the humidity is unusually high, our overnight low is still above normal. Believe it or not, a normal low this time of year is 68 degrees. We're not going to see that anytime soon. Even with mostly clear skies, light winds, I think we're only going to make it to 74. Can't rule out some patchy fog forming late tonight, lingering into early tomorrow morning. Let's talk about weekend. I know that's a forecast everybody cares a lot about. 20% chance of rain on Saturday and a 20% chance of rain on Sunday. About the only difference between the 2 days. A little bit more cloud cover compared to what we're going to see the next 2 days, partly to mostly cloudy skies. We'll call it breezy on Saturday, but flat out windy on Sunday. I do think we're going to be seeing gusts around 30 miles per hour, which might make it a degree cooler, but still uncomfortably warm for this time of year.